Starting with the 2-dart sloper, pick a spot on the center front below the apex line. Trace from that point around the bodice to the shoulder dart. Pivot to close the shoulder dart, and then trace that shoulder and the remaining bodice outline. On the waist dart, you're going to measure out from the legs. It would be 1.5 inches on full scale because we're changing the dart into shearing. So those are now our marks. And then you can redraw the waistline because you don't need the little point for the dart legs. Draw a line parallel to the center front below the apex, below the new dart. Add seam allowance around the bodice. Cut out the bodice, leaving extra around that front dart and closure. Go back and add in the new dart legs if you didn't do that earlier. Fold that extension so you can see how the closure would work. You'd have a 1-inch extension past the center front. Then it would be tucked under 1 inch. So that's the shape for the first part of the closure. And then go ahead and crease the bottom dart leg. Fold, close that dart, cup the pattern. And now I can cut out the excess bit of the dart that would interfere with the closure and the center front and all that other good stuff. Add the grain line above the apex, parallel to the center front, and then, of course, add your label so that you know what you're looking at. In this case, waist, shear, and center front bust dart closure.